So anyways, back to the video. So this was the functions we have done. So this is the, so I'm just deleting this one. This function will do perfectly fine. So what should we name this function? So we need to close that. First we need to take get history. We shall be going to the stock options. So in the NSE series, that how I can check which is which. So this is totally separate API, the equity API. Okay, so I'll not just copy the NSE Python. I'll just make my own dev equity history. Okay, as simple as that. Series, start date, end date. One more thing I will do, raw false. Also what I was thinking to do with that. Anyways, we have this. If raw, so it will give the raw value properly. Sounds fine. Okay, so this is done. Let me just keep it till I make the documentation so that I can copy. Now this one, equity history, and this should be, as it is written IDX, so it is like index. Let me first check that what is in store for the stock one. So before going there, that price history, stock price history. So let's go to this function. We need to get the metadata. Let me just think for 1 minute. From where I can get the metadata? Okay, so this is strange. So I'll just skip that whatever I was thinking. I'm just checking the historical data of SBI. So I guess this is similar thing. If I historical trade data, but it is showing equities. Okay, I need to go here. All historical data. Let me check 1 month. So it is like similar like the previous bank nifty one, but it is giving, it should give STK. Let me show you what I'm meaning. Yeah, I was correct. So it is giving OPT STK instead of IDX. So this is a very common notation of NSE if you know what I'm talking about. If instrument type is, suppose this is SBI. Okay, let's suppose this is SBI. Instrument type is options. If instrument type is future. So all the index we have right now have the term Nifty in it, like Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, and Nifty. So yeah, we can just use that to separate. STK. Foot STK, OPT STK, I think. Yeah, OPT. Oops. Yeah, it looks fine. If instrument type is OPT, so I need to do one more thing here, which is adding an OR clause. OPT STK. Now the rest of things should be fine. Let me, SBI famous strike price is 300. And the expiry date should be here 24 June because it does not have a weekly expiry, so it should run. Let me check once more. 24 June, option type put, strike price 300, filter. So I did a line by line copy. I see only the date is different here. Anyways, if I change the date, I do not think that there should be much impact. Okay, OPT IDX options future. Now it will work fine. Yep. So get equity history, and this should be get derivative history. Expiry date, strike price, option type. Actually, we can just write the values here directly. There is no need to write this here. Anyways, fine. Start date, end date, instrument type, done. Expiry date I have to give. So these are the hard coded elements. One more thing is raw. Actually, I do not think that there is no necessity of the raw thing here. I will just remove it from here also. If somebody is that over smart, he can do it anyways. This should work. Name instrument type is not found. Did a spelling mistake. Do not know why this is not. I guess I did some spelling mistake. I'll just paste it like rampant. So, okay, so this is also done. Now let's take a break.